So we're going to need to shut the water off for the house, and we'll come over here to this water pump manager. So just by clicking this on off button right here and turning it to the off, that essentially keeps the water from being pumped when somebody opens up the fixture. Now there's still water in the system, so we're going to have to relieve some of that pressure. What I like to do then is to come over here and I put the bucket right up underneath that, and I open up some of the valves to let that water go down. Maybe a good idea to keep all of the water from coming back into the system or coming back into the bucket is to come up to this upper one and shut that down. Okay, so we essentially shut that upper valve. So if you think about where the water's going, water's coming through the system, it's going over through here, going through the filter, coming back, it goes down through the softener, comes back up this pipe, comes all the way back up this way, and then it goes back out of the house. So when I open up this relief valve, I don't want that water to come back down and come all the way in reverse, come out. So I just shut that off and it'll hold the water inside the house. So now we can go ahead and start to drain and take some of that pressure off the line. So let's do that. And it shouldn't take too long. I generally would hold this, but I can't do both too much with the camera. So there you go. So the pressure's off the line. Go ahead and shut that. And let's take that and we'll dump that in a drain or anywhere. I always just come over to the drain here on the floor and I pour that down. Just clean water, doesn't matter. Okay. So we're back here, and the next thing we're going to do is take the pressure off, in case there is any, on this valve here. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and push this button. Hard for me to hold everything. Push this red button. If there's any pressure in there, it'll come out, and that's it. Now we're prepared to take the filter off of the housing. So let's do that next. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is get a bucket, and we are going to catch the water underneath the filter. So I've got my filter wrench. Let's see, put that out of the way for now. We're going to take this top lever and we're going to put it into the off position, which is okay. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the wrench. I like to hold the bucket underneath here because it is going to leak water. There's a wrench under there. We're going to go ahead and spin that counterclockwise. There it goes. Somebody must have put it on there real tight. And once you loosen it up, you won't need the wrench anymore. Keep the bucket under there. Catch all the water. Limit the mess you make.